Northeast State Nagamis News Viewers Khan Ajilaga Main Headlines. Senior Church Leaders Prarubi Ekbar NLTP Ekoport Ekhanaka Support Janarishi. Naga Students Federation Pra RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat Pra India to Ekta Hindu Rashtra Asekwaikna Statement dia to strongly condemn Krishi. Rehab Center te ekjon allegedly physical assault pra Mura case te 5 jun ke arrest Krishi. Naga Council Dimapur pra khali festive season nimite na hoy kina traffic congestion karne Dimapur te long term plan ani bole janadishi. Senior church leaders pra NLTP act laga opor takhan naga strong support dikhai kina warn krishi ki NLTP hatai dia pra Naga society laga spiritual, social or moral fabric danger te ahibo koishe. Joint statement te Reverend Dr. N. Papino, Reverend Dr. P. Dozo, Reverend R.P. Muri, Reverend Kari Longchar, Father Chakko, Father Dr. Anto or Reverend Moses Muri pra citizens ke act to support kurble urge kurikina families social order or law enforcement te mudu pra effect hoy kina thaka khan janadishi. Leaders pra act to hatai dibo na hoy kina kinika kurikina enforcement to bhal kurikina cholai kina jabo ito opor kotha kurble janaishi. Takhan janashi ki NLTP to Bible te teachings takate base kurikina ekdam thick time te isor pra guide kura decision ase koishi junto pra itya thaka aru future generation manusop laga spiritual or moral values represent kure koikina janadeshi. Leaders janashi ki mudu pra family peace pura likha aru society bhal hote contribute na kure koishi Bible te pra James 4:17 quote kurikina leaders janashi ki ek hatai dile ki hubo itu laga impact janikina bi against kura pap ase koikna state krishi. Naga Students Federation NSF Pralabdin age RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat pra India to ekta Hindu Rashtra ase koikna statement dia to strongly condemn krishi. NSF President Mtsiding our General Secretary Kenilo Ken janaishi ki statement itu to unconstitutional ase koishi junto pra India laga secular, pluralistic or democratic foundations kan hisab nakura nishna ase koikna janadishi. India to ekta sovereign, socialist, secular or democratic republic ase koikna federation state kurishe ki constitution te secularism junto to ase freedom of religion prahi country laga citizen sob ke eki right or protection de koikna janadishi. NSF pra concern janaishi ki iman influential leader laga muk pranika manu majute bhag kuri dia statement to minority community ke risk te dhali de koishe federation janaishi ki Christians, Muslims, Sikh, Buddhists or tribal groups nishna religious or cultural minorities against unfair treatment or attack hoikina jai se koishe kote worship kura jaga biya kuri dia mob attacks institution te biased treatment dia aru jabardasti religious conversion kra misa-misi accuse bi kure koikna janadishi. NSF janaishi ki indigenous manu hanimite enika majority dominated statement to ekdam concerning ase koishi federation yad dilaishi ki naga manu khan nijor laga decision banaikna secular or democratic system te milikina respect pra thakibo nimite hodai din ki thik ase tu nimite khara kurikna ahishe koikna janadishi. NSF warned krishi ki Hindu Rashtra Hindu laga nation ase koikna kwapra India laga secular principles bhangai di ase koikna janadishi. NSF pra government of India ke secularism to hisab kurikna statements junto pra country laga constitutional principles te diktar ahe itu khanto nadi bole janadishi. Yeshu Arms Wellness Foundation Chekiye Village Block 6 Chumakitima District Dimapur laga incident kote ekjun murishi to case te sio moto cognizance loikna Dimapur Police Dipupar Police Station te sio moto FI registered koikna balpra investigate kurishi DCP Crime and PRO Dimapur Police janaishi ki charjun to incident te directly involved thakishi kote rehabilitation center laga malik ke bi arrest koikna police custody te ase koishi. PRO janaishi ki November 26 tarik din 3 baji fale referral hospital te pra itu rehab center te pra ana hospital te dead body rakhi kina thaka opor Dipupar police station ke phone call aishe koishi junto pichte team hospital nimite olaishe aru tate punchate manu ke muri kina anishe koikna confirm kurishi koishi. Mura Manuketo Pradeep Basumetri 46 years Aujan Ganeshpuri Uriamgad Assam laga resident kwaikina identify kurishi standard procedure follow kurikna preliminary examination conduct kurishi kote gaute physical assault laga mark sabule paishi aru parts kunba te jokhom hoikina thakishi jokhom to ekdam tan object loikna mara nishna thakishi juntu nimite police pra victim ke marikina morai dia suspect kurishi body to Dimapur district hospital te post mortem nimite shift kurishi police janaishi ki manukun itu nimite responsible ase takhan ki justice te anibo karne forensic technical aru procedural nishna sob important steps to loishi koishi authorities pe rehab center sob rules to license nai valid license or thick tak medical facilities or qualified mental health staff asna nai to kan check ruble dusra inquiry shuru kurekina ase kwaikina junadishi Naga Council Dimapur NCD pra Dimapur Police pra festive season te Dimapur city te traffic management to bhal pra jabo nimite nutun traffic regulation jakali announce kra to welcome kurishi Hoilebi district administration ke khali festive season nimite ekla nohoi kina traffic problems committee kurbo nimite long term solution anibole urge kurishi press release te NCD president GK Rengma aru general secretary LK Peter Anil Janaishi ki Dimapur to hodai din traffic limited duk pai koishi takhan janaishi ki alag alag schools juntu city te ase takhan nijor laga school campus te hi drop aru pick up kurble cholabole lage koikna janadishi NCD suggests kurishi ki judi municipal jurisdiction under iku nutun commercial construction kuri ase koile compulsory parking space takibole lage koishi interstate bus terminal ISBT buna khotom hoy kina chole kina bi NCD junaishi ki project tu ekdam bhal pra nachula karne infrastructure traffic congestion committee korble laga asul purpose to achieve hone ko aikina junadishi NCD junaishi ki responsible authorities pra hi kile rati aru din laga passenger bus khan golaka dot aru supermarket te pra sam laga peak hours se chole bole allow kore takhan hi jane koishi Council janaishi ki traffic manage kurate kamzori thaka to joldi fix kurikna importance dibole lage ko ekna state krishi dusra side te NCDB DMC pra parking space to dangor kurbo karne flyover aru itu laga osor areas te makeshift dukan thaka khan sob bhanga bole decision law upor khushi janadishi NCDB Dimapur laga bonafide citizens against extortion aru illegal taxation law upor zero tolerance subo koikna arubi ekbar junadishi